Bitcoin has emerged as a revolutionary digital currency, capturing global attention. However, its widespread adoption faces challenges. Transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain can be slow and expensive, especially during peak periods. This limitation hinders its use for everyday purchases and microtransactions. Imagine waiting in a long queue just to buy a cup of coffee. That's what it can feel like waiting for a Bitcoin transaction to confirm on a congested network. High transaction fees further exacerbate the problem, making small payments impractical. The Bitcoin community recognized these limitations and sought solutions. This led to the development of the Lightning Network, a groundbreaking technology designed to address these issues head-on. The Lightning Network is a Layer 2 payment protocol built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. Think of it as a network of high-speed side roads built alongside a busy highway. These side roads allow for faster and cheaper transactions by moving them off the main blockchain. Instead of broadcasting every single transaction to the entire Bitcoin network, the Lightning Network enables users to create payment channels. These channels facilitate near-instantaneous transactions between parties with incredibly low fees. This innovative approach significantly enhances Bitcoin's scalability and makes it suitable for a wide range of use cases, including micropayments, which were previously infeasible on the main blockchain. The magic of the Lightning Network lies in its use of payment channels. These channels allow for transactions to be conducted off the main Bitcoin blockchain, making them faster and more efficient. Let's imagine two friends, Alice and Bob, who frequently transact with each other using Bitcoin. Instead of making each transaction on the blockchain, which can be slow and costly, they use a payment channel. They can open a payment channel by depositing a certain amount of Bitcoin into a shared wallet. This initial deposit acts as a kind of security for their transactions. This wallet, secured by a multi-signature mechanism, requires both Alice and Bob to authorize any transaction. This ensures that neither party can cheat the other. Once the channel is open, they can make numerous transactions between themselves without broadcasting each one to the Bitcoin network. This means they can transact as often as they like, almost instantaneously. These off-chain transactions are incredibly fast and cheap, as they only involve Alice and Bob. They don't need to wait for network confirmations, which can take time and incur fees. When they're finished transacting, they can close the channel, and the final balance is reflected on the Bitcoin blockchain. This final transaction consolidates all their off-chain activity into a single on-chain transaction, making the process efficient and cost-effective. Section 4. Benefits of Lightning Fast, Cheap, and Scalable Transactions. The Lightning Network offers a compelling suite of benefits that address Bitcoin's limitations. First and foremost, it provides near-instantaneous transaction speeds. Transactions on the Lightning Network are confirmed within seconds, if not milliseconds. Second, transaction fees are significantly lower than on the Bitcoin blockchain. Users can send micropayments for a fraction of a cent, making it ideal for everyday purchases and online tipping. Third, the Lightning Network dramatically increases Bitcoin's scalability. It can handle millions of transactions per second, far exceeding the capacity of the main blockchain. Section 5. Real-world applications. From coffee to content, Lightning powers it all. The Lightning Network's speed, affordability, and scalability unlock a myriad of real-world applications. For instance, it facilitates seamless micropayments for online content such as articles, videos, and music. Imagine reading an interesting article and being able to tip the author directly with a few cents using Bitcoin. The Lightning Network makes this possible without incurring exorbitant fees. Furthermore, it enables instant payments at physical stores. Coffee shops, restaurants, and retailers can accept Bitcoin payments through the Lightning Network, offering customers a fast and convenient payment option. Section 6. Getting started with Lightning. your guide to instant Bitcoin payments. In this section, we'll walk you through the steps to harness the power of the Lightning Network for your Bitcoin transactions. Getting started with the Lightning Network is easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you can be on your way to making fast and efficient Bitcoin payments. Numerous user-friendly wallets are available, such as Moon Wallet, Blue Wallet, and Phoenix Wallet. These wallets are designed to make your experience seamless and straightforward. These wallets allow you to send and receive Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. The process is quick and intuitive, ensuring that even beginners can navigate it with ease. To begin, you'll need to fund your Lightning Network wallet. This step is crucial as it enables you to start transacting on the network. You can do this by transferring Bitcoin from a standard Bitcoin wallet to your Lightning wallet. The transfer process is straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes. Once funded, you can start making instant and cheap Bitcoin payments. The Lightning Network significantly reduces transaction times and fees, making it an attractive option for everyday use. The Lightning Network is constantly evolving, with developers around the world working tirelessly to improve its functionality and security. With new features and improvements being added regularly, the network is becoming more robust and versatile. This continuous development ensures that the Lightning Network remains at the forefront of Bitcoin technology. As adoption grows, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge. From everyday purchases at your local cafe to seamless online shopping experiences, the possibilities are endless. The future of Bitcoin payments is bright, and the Lightning Network is leading the way. Section 7. The future is bright. Lightning Network's potential to revolutionize finance. The Lightning Network holds immense potential to revolutionize the way we transact online and offline. By enabling instant transactions, it eliminates the long wait times associated with traditional Bitcoin transactions. Its ability to facilitate fast, cheap, and scalable Bitcoin payments paves the way for a more inclusive and accessible financial system. This means that even those in remote or underserved areas can participate in the global economy with ease. As the network matures and adoption increases, we can expect to see a surge in Lightning Network-enabled applications and services. These innovations will likely span various industries, from retail to finance and even entertainment. From micropayments to cross-border transactions, the Lightning Network is poised to transform how we think about and use money. Imagine being able to send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly and with minimal fees. The Lightning Network represents a significant step towards fulfilling Bitcoin's promise as a global, peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It brings us closer to a future where financial transactions are seamless, secure, and universally accessible. Its impact on the future of finance is bound to be profound. As more people and businesses adopt this technology, we will witness a shift towards a more decentralized and democratized financial landscape.